Procure cash from the web is getting increasingly simple. Each and every day an ever-increasing number of individuals come into the web. Billions of obtaining are made each day and measurements demonstrate an extraordinary future. So on the off chance that you would prefer not to hop in this astounding open door today, you are leaving a great deal of cash on the table. Wouldn't you say it could be better take a portion of that cash? There are simple approaches to profit on the web, and most likely you definitely realize approaches to get salary through a site or a blog. Alright, this is valid yet given me a chance to uncover to you progressively rewarding chances. In the event that you need to grow a gainful long-haul business, you should start to take a gander at this incredible open door offered by web in a sincere manner. Today, manufacture an online business is straightforward. Be that as it may, before to think to construct a business it is smarter to figure out how to run a genuine one. This is the mystery for progress. You should realize what there is behind a site or a blog. This is the significance of maintaining a business. After you will have overseen how to maintain this business, you start to fabricate another one and to redistribute a great deal of errands. Since by then you will have taken in the basics of a business and you can recreate your achievement in each specialty and in each market you pick. In this manner, acquire cash quick through an internet business it brisk and straightforward. In any case, you will produce more income and more cash on the off chance that you start a business that sells explicit data. Keep in mind this, learning defeats dread. In the event that you discover explicit and focused on individuals who have at least one feelings of dread, and you begin to assemble an association with them, and you position yourself as a specialist around there, very soon they will need to purchase your important data. In this way, presently you can see how straightforward as acquire cash quick on the web. Selling explicit and top-notch data items is conceivable or more all is extremely gainful. Particularly if the data you are selling is yours, you will make from zero an amazingly fruitful business with high ROI rate of return. Actually, costs are drastically diminished, and aside from the expenses for your top-notch instruction and for redistribute a lot of your undertakings, I promise you that the rest will be just income that drops into your ledger. So my companion, I propose with eagerness to take a gander at the chance to grow a profitable online educational systematic one of the simple approaches to profit. Click the link in the description for more information.